In December 2024, astronomers discovered an asteroid that briefly had the highest chance of hitting Earth ever recorded for its size. Then, as more data came in, something unexpected happened. Earth got the all clear. But now, the Moon might be in trouble. Let me explain what's happening with Asteroid 2024 YR4. On December 27, 2024, NASA's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, spotted something concerning: a building-size asteroid about 180 to 220 feet across, roughly the height of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. They named it 2024 YR4, and when they calculated its orbit, alarm bells started ringing. This space rock was going to come dangerously close to Earth on December 22, 2032. At first, astronomers calculated a 1% chance of Earth impact. Not huge, but definitely concerning for an asteroid this size. Then, as more observations came in through January and February 2025, the probability climbed. It peaked at 3.1%, the highest impact probability ever recorded for an asteroid of this size. It even hit level 3 on the Torino Scale, which measures asteroid threats. Only one other asteroid has ever gone higher: the infamous Apophis, which briefly reached level 4 back in 2004. If this thing hit Earth, it could release energy equivalent to 2 to 30 megatons of TNT, with blast damage extending up to 50 miles from impact. That's city killer territory. The situation was serious enough that astronomers got emergency approval to use the James Webb Space Telescope, something rarely done because JWST's time is incredibly valuable. In March and May 2025, JWST turned its powerful infrared sensors toward 2024 YR4. Unlike ground-based telescopes that only see reflected sunlight, JWST detected the heat the asteroid itself emits, giving astronomers precise measurements of its size and composition. The good news? As JWST refined the asteroid's orbit, the probability of an Earth impact dropped rapidly. By April 2025, NASA announced, "Earth is safe. Zero chance of impact in 2032 or beyond." Everyone breathed a sigh of relief, until they looked at the Moon. With the refined data from JWST, NASA recalculated the asteroid's path through the Earth-Moon system. And here's what they found. There's now a 4.3% chance that 2024 YR4 will slam into the Moon on December 22, 2032. If that happens, it would create a crater about 1 kilometer wide on the southern near side of the Moon, the side we see from Earth. Debris would be ejected into space, possibly creating a temporary meteor shower for Earth. The Moon has survived billions of years of impacts, including ones much larger than this. It's not going to knock the Moon out of orbit or anything dramatic. But here's what makes this significant. We've never observed a known asteroid with a known size and trajectory impact the Moon in real time with modern instruments. This would be a first. The asteroid is currently too far away to observe. We won't get another good look at it until December 2028, when it makes another close approach. Those observations will give us the final answer about whether it'll hit the Moon in 2032. And here's why this whole situation matters. This was real-world practice for planetary defense. Astronomers tested how quickly they can track a potentially dangerous asteroid, refine its orbit, and determine actual risk. They used cutting-edge technology like JWST in an emergency situation. They coordinated internationally to gather data. If a truly dangerous asteroid is ever discovered heading for Earth, this experience with 2024 YR4 will help us respond faster and more effectively. Plus, if this asteroid does hit the Moon, we'll watch it happen live, study the impact in real time, and learn even more about how these collisions work. So mark your calendars for December 2028, when we'll get our next good look at 2024 YR4. And then, December 22nd, 2032, we'll find out if the Moon is about to get a very visible new crater. Earth is safe, but the Moon, it might have an interesting day ahead. Like, share, and subscribe to D3 Discover Deep Dreams for more space discoveries. And as always, keep looking up.